We have a lot of things to do today in the Dio land. This is the first time I've taken out my 600. This is a 2010 600 CBR RR. It only has 3,200 miles on it, but I haven't had it out since last year, and the first thing I did was turn it on, and it doesn't work. So thank God I have a battery charger. And I'm making this video. This is the tip of the day. Took the seat off over here. It's a really thin seat. And I found the battery right here. And what I'm doing right now is I'm mapping where these little things go before I go to take them off. For the battery, and then I'll take the battery over and I'll try and charge it. Now, a friend of mine told me something about these batteries, which is really cool. He said some of them have a little chip in the battery, which when you go to charge it, if the chip doesn't actuate, the battery won't charge. It'll just play dead. But what he told me, and I do want to try this on the bike, is if you take two batteries, okay, just little 12-volt batteries like this, and you run them in series. You run the charger to a good battery, and then you piggyback this one onto the other side. The charger will trick the battery into accepting the charge. And at $100 for these batteries, it's expensive. Now, another thing I got to do over here is I've just taken the battery out of the Honda. It's my 2013 Zuma. Just got 5,000 miles on it. It's working great. Here's the Honda Dio with that great WAFS pipe on it. I've got the brand new huge intake that is supposed to go on, but I've got to get, what you want to do is you want to get your bike running, and you want to make sure everything is tight for your year's racing, because what happens is in the winter things freeze up, they contract. It gets warm, they expand. And with all the rattling and everything, it's always best to go and recheck everything, and also to refill your tires, because your tires will lose 10 or 15% of their air. So I'm going to try and get this out without killing myself and put it on the charger.